I challenged myself to launch a brand
before New Year.
My challenge is not completed yet. My brand is not launched. I failed. Yes, I failed. But you know what? Somehow I won. The challenge I gave myself is hard. But this challenge told my brain to work for 24/7. And my brain worked. I stopped procrastinating just because of a challenge I gave to myself. I started doing it rather than overthinking. This brand is no more in my thoughts. It's in real life. I'm working on it. Yes, I'm working on it. It's not launched yet. I know that. But I'm working on it. It's not on my vision board anymore. It's in a real life. Quick stick news. Brand was in my thought in 24. It was on my vision board on 25, but I started working on it in December 25. They tried, yeah, just because of that one challenge that I have to launch it before 26, which I failed, but still I won. Quick stick me, it's my brand. That's a brand. I'm working on it right now. If you have to fail 100 times to win, so how fast you want to fail? If you have to fail 100 times to be rich, how fast you want to fail? Why not? Just fail for 100 times. I can finally win. That's what I want. I gave my mind that hard challenge, which I know I can't do it, but still I know somehow I can do it, and somehow I did it. I'm halfway in it. I'm working on it. That's all I want. It's no more in my thought. I know it's hard. Even I told myself that too. It's hard. Right now I'm recording this video after working like a 9 hours and still have to make a dinner. But I know I have to record this video because I started something which I have to fulfill. That's why you just have to start. Still I'm halfway, but still there's a lot of things to work on. Just do it. That's the only funda. Do it. I'm saying do it. Give the hardest challenge to yourself. After that, universe will help you to do it. That's the only funda. Do it. Do it is the funda. If you don't know like a second step, you are lucky. You know the first step. Work on first. Second will come automatically. It's just like the game. So then procrastinating it, as in keeping in your thoughts, just do it. And I did it. I'm doing it. I'm working on it. And you know what? The burden you are carrying while keeping that thought in your mind that you will do it, that burden is heavier than the struggles you face while doing it. That's true. It's hard for me to do it right now, but that was heavier. That was more stressful. Keeping in my mind that I'll do it. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. If I lost my drive to do it. You know what? That's why I gave a hard challenge to myself. In 25 days to launch a brand? That sounds crazy, bro. I don't know. But I did it. I'm doing it. Working on it. Happy New Year 2026. It's late, but Happy New Year. See you soon in next video. Take care. Bye.